Prevent Chrome from automatically opening downloaded PDF and image files. When I download a PDF or image in Google Chrome on my Mac, is it possible to prevent Chrome from automatically opening it in my default application for that file type, example, preview? I noticed that Chrome does not do this for other downloaded files such as audio and zip archives. I still want to be able to preview files in Chrome. I just want to prevent it from automatically launching my image PDF viewer application after I download them. For example, I click on a link in an email to a PDF document or an image file. Chrome displays the contents in the browser. I press CMDS and save the file to my computer. When the download finishes, the file opens automatically in preview.app. It's that last step that I would like to bypass.
You can set the auto-open preferences for PDF files by clicking on the Download Status button in the Downloads bar. When you have a downloaded PDF sitting there, click on the arrow and unselect Always Open Files of this type in the pop-up menu. You can also reset all the user preferences for auto-open by following the directions below from Chrome's help site at this URL. If you want certain types of files to always open after they're done downloading, click the arrow next to the File button in the Downloads bar and select Always Open Files of this type. To prevent potentially malicious files from automatically downloading to your computer, this option isn't available for executable file types, such as those with .exe, .dll, or .bat extensions for Windows and .dmg extensions for Mac, that you can clear auto-opening settings through the Settings dialog. Here's how. Click the wrench icon on the browser toolbar. Select Settings. Click the Under the Hood tab. In the Download section, click Clear Auto-Opening Settings. This clears your settings for all file types. Click Close when you're done if you're using Windows or Linux.
Here is what I have done and it worked for me. Apparently this is not an OS issue, it is rather a browser issue. If you are using Google Chrome, go to Settings, then go to the very bottom of the page and click on Show Advanced Settings, then under Downloads uncheck the part that says you have opted to open some files by default. If you are using Safari, open Safari Preferences and on the General tab, uncheck Automatically Open Safe Files, since Safari has this as a default option and unfortunately, pics that open are considered safe files.
On Mac, the above answers were not enough for me unfortunately to stop auto-opening of PDFs in Preview by Chrome. The answer was to manually edit the preferences files for Chrome. First, quit all running instances of Chrome. Then, run this in your terminal. Open each preferences file listed in your text editor. This will be one or more preferences files, depending on the number of user profiles you have set up in Chrome, and find all the always_open_PDF_ externally and open_PDF_in_system_reader preferences. Change them so they are false. Next, save changes and close the preferences files. Finally, open Chrome and see if this has helped. PDF downloads should not be auto-open any longer.
This is a known issue that was recently fixed. Eventually you will get an update that includes the fix. This URL.
You want to watch it, these are the versions.